Class 11 Chapter 7 HOTS Questions. Question 1. Is there a correlation between speaking and writing skills of an individual? Answer. Speaking and writing skills are correlated, both requiring language proficiency and coherent expression. While speaking emphasizes verbal fluency, writing focuses on deliberate organization of ideas. Proficiency in one often implies proficiency in the other, but individual strengths may vary due to diverse practices and inclinations. Question 2. If outdoor runners have higher skin disease occurrences due to time exposure in the sun, think of an independent variable that can be used to test the relationship between running and skin diseases. What alternatives can one look for to negate the problem arising out of running outdoors in the sun? Answer. The independent variable is the duration of sun exposure during running, which directly affects exposure to UV rays, a known risk factor for skin diseases. Alternatives to negate the problem: wearing protective clothing. Use of UV protective clothing can significantly reduce skin exposure to harmful rays. Using sunscreen. Regular application of a high SPF sunscreen can protect the skin from UV damage. Choosing safer times to run. Running during early morning or late evening when the sun's rays are less intense can lower the risk of skin diseases. Running in shaded areas. Choosing routes that offer more shade can reduce exposure to direct sunlight. Question 3. Suppose you are reading a newly published fiction of your favorite author. The story turns out to be thoroughly engrossing, according to you. Describe your personal experience while reading the book about the time you took to complete the reading. In the description, please mention whether it felt like it is taking too long to complete or was it the other way around. Once you have described your experience, kindly note down what you can infer from this. Answer. The newly published fiction by my favorite author was so engrossing that time flew by. The plot twists and rich character development captivated me, and I often lost track of time. Finishing the entire book over a weekend, quicker than usual, showcased the captivating power of the author's storytelling. Inference from the experience, engaging content and skillful writing profoundly impact reading behavior, making the experience more enjoyable and seemingly quicker. This reflects personal preference in literary style.